know I may be young, but I've got feelings too, and I need to do what I feel like doing. So let me go and just listen. All you people look at me like I'm...
And welcome to the Jerry Springer Show.
Jerry!
As our first guest, we have Rihanna. Wait, why don't you tell our audience your story?
Alright, so what had happened was I was looking in the field, you know, doing what I was supposed to be doing, picking that cotton and stuff, you know? I know. Alright, and my slave owner came up, and he was like, bam! And I was like, well, what was that for? I ain't doing anything but my job. And he was like, girl. And he started beating me with the whip and stuff, you know? Because I wasn't doing my job, you know? And then all of a sudden, this guy started raping me. I'm like, whoa, I don't know who you think you is, but we is different colors, and we ain't supposed to, you know, do that stuff. You know what I mean? But, whatever. I had his baby now, and he didn't know it's his baby. He's trying to deny it. I'm like, dude, that's your baby. Please don't deny it. I mean, look at him. Do we know for that? I know it's my baby, though, but he don't know it's his baby, but it's his baby. Yeah, and then his wife over here like, that ain't his baby. I'm like,
You had sexual relations with any other person?
nah. Why? What? Only with, you know, my husband and stuff, but we all know my husband ain't this color.
Clearly, the baby dead. Caucasian.
Yeah, obviously. And the only Caucasian man I know is my slave owner.
So what are you expecting to happen?
For him to realize it's his baby, and his wife realize it too.
So if it is his offspring, what would you like to come to?
Him to pay for it. Because I ain't got money. He do though. I know he do.
Well, while we're having this interesting discussion, why don't we bring out Mr.
Oh, please do. Please bring him out. Please.
Now welcome Christopher.
Boo!
Go!
Boo!
Go home! Thank you for joining us, Christopher.
Welcome.
So, did you hear the accusations that Miss Rihanna is applying that you have committed?
I know I'm not sorry.
Rape,
Ooh.
whipping,
Ooh.
beating,
Yum.
and others.
Ooh. That's good.
What is your take on the accusations for that?
Innocent.
This is your baby. Look at it. Look like
Ma'am, can we be civil, please? Just because you came from West Africa and you don't have an education doesn't mean you can take it out on me.
If you say I is not educated because of my skin color,
Yes, that's exactly what I'm saying.
yeah, I don't know who you think you is.
Alright. Keep it on race.
I'm sorry.
Yeah, I ain't being racist. He is though.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
This hey kid, can you please tell him this is his kid? Cause everyone else kid, cause he's the only white person I slept with. Well, I didn't sleep with him. I was raped, but
What? Is that,
no, not even. More like I was working on my plantation and somebody,
You were working something else.
oogie, whatever you say.
now do you, agree to knowing Miss Rihanna?
What's your third number?
306.
Oh, you just had a kid. Congrats. Not personally, but she's on my plate. Farm.
What shift are you working for?
Tonight. I can't even like listen to him because he's like in denial. It's like seriously, like for real, this is your baby. Please look at it. And it don't look like me. It look like you though. No, don't please.
As provided before the show, both of our guests have been going under DNA testing. So we'll see the results in a moment. Why didn't you take it to a civil court case?
Because they don't like me because my skin color. I work for them. They ain't gonna do anything for me. Know what I mean?
Dred Scott is not your friend. That's why he lost.
Yeah, okay. He is my friend. So I don't know who you think. You don't even know me, so don't even know me.
So
What you like that?
how do you feel about the baby being yours if it does come out to be yours?
Oh, that is a mutant. That is a mix between a white male or female and a black person. So does not mix. Because that doesn't happen on this plantation.
He's gonna pay for it. He's
Will
gonna
you
pay for
provide
it.
any financial
He's gonna pay for
support?
it.
No, because I love my beautiful wife. She would never do that. I would never
Yeah,
do
Speaking
that.
of
she didn't know. She didn't know.
Debbie, why don't we bring Chris's wife Demi out and have her take on the information? Thank you for joining us, Demi. And
This is Heather.
how old is Heather?
Heather's 2 months.
And how old is yours?
Yeah, I named her. Her name's Shaquita. So don't go like, you know. Yeah, she has a name. She old enough.
So, Shaquita is how old?
Old enough. Old enough to know that's her daddy.
You don't even know how old your own child is.
How old?
Oh,
What kind of mother are you?
Okay, alright. How old is Heather?
6 months.
6 months. And then,
That baby is definitely not big enough to be 6 months.
Girl, don't worry about
She's
it.
lying about his age.
maybe it's malnourished because your husband isn't providing.
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah, she's not going to provide for
Tell
her.
him.
She's our slave. We don't got to provide for none of her kids.
So if the child
It's your kid too.
No, it is not my kid.
It looks like your husband though.
Don't mean it's
Look
my
at that.
kid. It does not look like my husband.
Yeah, that looks like him.
Why's his hair so dark?
Cause I got dark hair. It's a mixture, you know. No, I don't
You don't even have hair.
Don't want to talk to you. Don't want to talk to you. Please, Jerry. Please continue.
Is there a possibility that Chris is the father in your eyes, and only
No.
in Demi's eyes?
No possibility.
And how heartbroken would you be if it does turn out?
It won't turn out to be.
And if it does?
It won't.
Okay, say the results are in, and I say, Chris, you are the father. What's your reaction?
Then I don't know how I'd react.
You think
Yeah.
is the
She feels stupid. That's how she would react. She'd be like, "Oh man, I'm stupid. I should know."
It's stupid, not stupid.
Please,
Sorry.
don't correct me, alright?
Yeah. You have no education.
Yeah. Okay.
if
Just cause I'm a different color, that don't mean nothing.
You're
No.
from Africa, of course you have a different education.
if
Ow, no, that's you.
has the birth of
Shaquita.
Shaquita affected you and Chris's life?
No.
Not
You didn't even know about it.
Not
No.
yet. When did you find out about the birth?
Where's your record?
I don't know. And my job, she cracked in.
What's her number?
306
Annoying place.
Excuse me?
I'm sorry. You hear that? Please. I'm actually like top of one.
Born about 4 months ago, actually. No.
Yeah, okay, whatever. Why did you not correct me?
You're delinquent. That's why.
Alright, insult aside.
I'm about to smack him or something.
After Heather has been born, had Heather's effects on intimacy issues?
No.
Has Shaquita effects?
We didn't even know about Shaquita.
When did you guys actually find out about it? 4 months ago when it was born?
No. We found out just now.
He said,
Right, Chris?
Yeah.
We found out just now, right, Chris?
Yeah.
Is there something you're not telling me? That's a conflict! Chris?
I'm sorry. You don't give me love.
What? Sorry, that's funny. This is baby. I ain't gonna.
How do you feel about the accusation? Your husband, your love, Chris, raped you.
He would never do something like that. Yeah, he would. No, he wouldn't.
So you
Yeah,
say
he
that
would.
you know him pretty well.
Yeah. Yeah, I know pretty well
Then-
too. He would.
That how did it affect you when you stormed out of the stage saying the words, "You don't give me love"?
Well, he don't love you. Just kidding.
No one
You
asked
don't
for
love
your,
him.
no one asked for your
Yeah,
input.
whatever. I'm so sorry.
Anyways, as I was saying before, I was rudely interrupted. Well, That made me feel really sad because I feel like he should be able to reproach me and like talk.
You was unapproachable. That's your problem.
No, you're unapproachable.
Yeah.
You don't see anyone coming up to you.
I don't need anyone. I got my kid.
One of the conflicts that you and Chris had on stage was when asked, did you know about Shaquita before the interview?
I just found out today.
You said, no, you didn't. However, Chris replied with yes. When did you tell him that?
When I was pregnant, I told him, I was like, this your baby.
And how was his response?
Yeah, he denied it.
How do you feel that she did tell it?
Can you rephrase that?
How did you feel that Chris did know
Yeah.
that she's a baby today? She thought it was him. Forced.
I feel like he should be able to tell me that too.
He's unapproachable.
Seems like he's keeping a lot of secrets.
So are you questioning that it could be him?
Well, it's making me wonder, but I'm pretty confident that it's not.
Well, why don't we bring Chris and the unanswered question of this. So welcome back, Chris. You again.
Oh, shoot.
That'd be awesome. And we got Chris, you're also going to bring out the test results. So good, get the person coming out of it. So here we have the results. Something that Demi didn't know. Chris is also getting your baby tested.
Why would you question that?
He don't trust you.
I would never cheat on you.
Yes, you would.
He said you guys broke up for a couple of periods about 10 months ago, 1 month ago. For 2 or 3 weeks, so he wanted to make sure that you didn't make any mistakes. How do you feel about that?
Well, I feel pretty angry, considering he should be able to.
And did you not know that?
No.
So that's 2 things.
Yes.
Good job.
Okay, Chris, I'm gonna let you go first. All the questions on you. Which baby do you want to get tested first?
I'm most confident in this one. 'Cause I love Shit.
Don't make me smack you.
I will make you work extra hard with your baby.
In regular.
I would.
Okay, before we read the results, what is it not for you?
We're gonna work it out because I love her and I know that she loves me back.
Do you agree with that?
Yeah.
Now, what is it?
Are we talking about Heather or Heather? What was the question again?
Then there's a problem with you guys choose your first father. In regards to 2-month-old Heather, Chris, you are the father.
Yeah! Oh.
I knew it.
So you know. Was there a time where you guys broke up that you guys just cheated?
No.
No.
So why would you get a test then?
Because you made me.
Oh.
You are
Scandal!
sneaky!
In regards to
Jerry, I love you.
Notice how Jerry doesn't love you back.
No one loves you. You have no friends.
in regards to 4-month-old kid.
I know, it's cool. I don't need anyone. I got my baby.
In regards
Because
to
you won't have anyone.
4-month-old Shaquita, Chris, before I say results, Chris said if it wasn't his kid, he'd want to work through it. If it is his kid, then would you want to work through it?
No, because I have nothing to do with that child.
So you wouldn't work through it.
No.
Chris, before we do this results, do you want to admit to what you're doing?
No.
It might be easier if you admit you did before reading the results. If that makes sense.
It's gonna be more dramatic.
So you do think it?
No.
I serious.